Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world around us. It's impacting how we work, live, and interact with each other. AI is already automating tasks, improving decision-making, and driving innovation across various industries. From finance to healthcare, transportation to tax and accounting, AI's influence is undeniable. This essay will explore the profound impact of AI on different sectors, highlighting both the benefits and challenges it brings. AI's growing influence is evident in the increasing investment and adoption rates across industries. Businesses are eager to harness AI's power to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and gain a competitive edge. However, alongside these benefits come challenges. Ethical considerations, job displacement concerns, and the need for workforce upskilling are crucial aspects that require careful attention as AI becomes more integrated into our lives. The transformative potential of AI is undeniable. It has the power to revolutionize industries, improve our quality of life, and create new opportunities. However, navigating this AI-driven future requires a thoughtful and proactive approach to harness its benefits while mitigating potential risks. By understanding the implications of AI and embracing its potential, we can shape a future where technology empowers and benefits everyone. The financial services industry is at the forefront of AI adoption. AI-powered algorithms are transforming various aspects of finance, from fraud detection and risk management to customer service and investment strategies. One notable example is JP Chase's use of AI to analyze legal documents and extract crucial data points. This technology has significantly reduced the time and resources required for tasks that previously required hours of manual labor. AI is also enhancing efficiency and accuracy in financial institutions. AI-powered chatbots provide instant customer support, answer queries, and resolve issues swiftly. This 24/7 availability improves customer satisfaction and frees up human agents to focus on more complex tasks. Moreover, AI algorithms analyze vast datasets to identify patterns and anomalies that humans might miss, leading to more accurate fraud detection and risk assessments. Despite its benefits, integrating AI in finance comes with challenges. Data privacy and security are paramount concerns. Financial institutions handle sensitive customer information, making robust cybersecurity measures essential to prevent data breaches and maintain trust. Furthermore, addressing potential biases in AI algorithms is crucial to ensure fairness and prevent discriminatory outcomes in lending, credit scoring, and other financial services. The healthcare industry is witnessing a revolution driven by AI. The global healthcare AI market is experiencing remarkable growth, fueled by the increasing demand for improved patient care, reduced costs, and accelerated drug discovery. AI applications in healthcare are numerous and diverse, ranging from medical imaging analysis and diagnosis support to personalized treatment plans and drug development. One of AI's most significant contributions to healthcare is its ability to analyze medical images with exceptional accuracy. AI algorithms can detect subtle patterns in X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans that might escape the human eye, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. This is particularly valuable in detecting conditions like cancer, where early diagnosis significantly improves treatment outcomes. AI is also transforming patient care through personalized medicine. By analyzing a patient's medical history, genetic information, and lifestyle factors, AI algorithms can assist doctors in developing personalized treatment plans tailored to individual needs. This approach increases treatment effectiveness, minimizes side effects, and improves patient outcomes. Beyond finance and healthcare, AI is making significant inroads into various other industries. In transportation, self-driving vehicles are no longer a futuristic concept, but a rapidly developing reality. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are at the forefront of autonomous driving technology, promising to revolutionize transportation by improving road safety, reducing traffic congestion, and enhancing fuel efficiency. In the realm of tax and accounting, AI is automating routine tasks such as data entry, invoice processing, and tax filing. This automation frees up accountants and tax professionals to focus on more strategic and analytical work, such as providing financial advice, optimizing tax strategies, and identifying growth opportunities for their clients. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on industries and the workforce will undoubtedly grow. While AI presents challenges, such as job displacement concerns, It also creates new opportunities for those with the skills and adaptability to thrive in an AI-driven world. Embracing lifelong learning, developing new skills, and fostering a culture of innovation will be essential for individuals and businesses to succeed in the age of AI.